Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use layers tools in AutoCAD. Let's get started. To start understanding layers, let's open up our layers property. What I do is I usually dock it on my left. So right click on this tab, allow docking, right click again, and then anchor on your left. So now, every time I hover on this area, it will appear. So in this drawing, I have the layer names here. Currently, I have 0 ticked. So if I create a line, it will fall under layer 0. This layer cannot be deleted. Also the depth point. So the depth point, if you create a dimension and set up all the information, this will be automatically created to save all those information. Aside from that, I created a dimension layer. That's the color red. The doors with green, exterior wall, interior, and room name with all different colors. So in this example, I want to create a new layer. Click this icon, new layer. Let's type in line. Let's change the color. Let's choose this blue color and press OK. Here, I could either change the line types. So here, I have continuous. I could load more. I could have the dash line. Press OK. Click this again and press OK. Now this line type is dash. You can also set different line weights. So when you create, there's going to be a default. You can either change different line weights here, depending on your drawing. So in this example, I'm going to put 1 millimeter. Press OK. Before I start the line, I could double click here to make my line layer current. I'm gonna start a line. In here, you won't be able to see the dash line. But if we go to layout, you will see the dashed line. Also, you can turn on and off different layers. So let's move this. So in this example, I'm gonna turn off the door layer. As you can see, I can also freeze it. By freezing it, I'm not actually removing it, but I'm helping AutoCAD graphics to save more memory. I can also lock it. So by locking it, if I select this and try to delete it, I won't be able to delete it, or to move, or to copy. You can also turn off multiple layers by selecting the door first. I want this layer to stay, but the rest will be turned off. I could press Ctrl A, press Ctrl, and click the door, and then I could press this light bulb. So as you can see, only the door stayed. What if you want to change an existing layer to a different layer? In this example, I'm going to select this dimension. It's in dimension layer. I want to change it to a door layer. And as you can see, it changed color and it changed the layer. I'm going to put it back. Here, you can also isolate layer by clicking on this icon and selecting the layer that you want to keep, and press enter. So what if you want to add more dimension? You can do so by selecting this layer, and you click make current to make it current, and then you can just add dimensions. It is important to set the layers first when creating your drawings in order to have an organized workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.